Hello guys, I just found a new platform that is much more better than Pump.fun, dexscreener or axiom. This platform change is a game changer. If you have not been profitable trading Memecoin, so if you start using this platform, become profitable. What this platform does is to suggest Memecoin that are currently trending. What they do is to analyze wallets of professional traders. They check activities, volumes of coins, and they recommend or suggest coins that have the potential of doing very well. The name of the platform is called ATM. The link to sign up will be in the description box. I'm going to walk you through how it works. So, the top coin that it recommended or it suggests is this particular coin right here. I copy the CA and you can check the coin out on this screener if you would like. You can easily buy quick buy. If you click on quick buy, it's going to take you to boot, either bunk boot or Trojan boot, anyone you want. You take it to those boot and you can easily buy. So you can see upon discovering, you can see what they actually go out, do a lot of research and discover coins and recommend the coin. That's what they do. In this particular coin, when they called it, the market cap was about 60k market cap. The volume was about 144k. That was about 1 hour ago, and about 46 people hold this coin. And the future pump expectation, which means that if this particular coin pumps, like the profit you be getting is about 47%. If you click on the CA, right, you click on the CA and you go back to this screener and you click on the search bar and search for this particular coin, you get to see what the particular token has done before. You get, remember they call the coin when it was at 60k market cap. You get, so let me click on search. So I'm going to open up the coin in new browser. So guys, you can see coin that they call 1 hour ago. The coin market cap is about 90k. You get, they call it when it was at 60k market cap. You can see this coin has pump. You get, coin that they called. You can see they called the coin at 60k market cap about 1 hour ago. Currently, market cap is about 89 to 90k market cap, and it's still have potential of going of hitting the uptime. I can see this particular platform actually suggests good meme coins to get. So it's actually a platform that you can use if you are the type that don't want stress, don't know how to look for coins to get. If you scroll down, you're going to see a lot of coins that they suggest that potential of doing very well. Okay, let's see. This top one, right? This is CA. You can get to see uh Twitter of the particular coin, and it came from Pump.fun, as you can see right here. Not the Pump.fun. The older 726. Sometimes older about 22%. The insider wallet about 20k professional traders and market insider, which means that people that actually predicted that this coin is going to do well, about 20k professional traders, and the future pump expectation, that is, if you buy the coin, they put like how much profit you're going to get in terms of percentage. You're going to get 39% profit on this particular coin if you buy it. And so here you're going to see the market cap of the coin, the liquidity, and the volume. As you can see. So this particular uh, website or this platform is actually really very interesting. Yeah, they have where you can click here and you can click on pop the phone. They have different versions. You click on pop the phone, you get to see coins, meme coin that's been launched on pop the phone. And get they have a booth where they do a comment coin. These are recently graduated coins from pop the phone that they predicted that is going to do well. You can see the ROI to graduation, and these coins, there's at least 90% assurance that the coins will do very well in the long run. So this particular project or this platform has both. So I'm going to go over Telegram so that you can see the both. So and you can see they are always sending me uh coins. They are always suggesting coins that I could actually buy in my Telegram. So let's see the most recent one that they have suggested. This particular one, Twin. So the order is about 198. Market cap when they found it was about 45k market cap. Not meetable, not feasible, but dev has not paid, which means that the dev has not paid the screen now. You get to show it. You can try to, if you want to try to trade, you can click on trade. It's going to take you to bunk boat and you can easily trade the coin. If I click on chat, right, I'm going to open up the coin on this screen now. And if you want to do your analysis, looking for good entry, you can simply do it. Get so as it is particular coin recently graduated has volume 8.7k volumes. If you like can check the coin out. So this platform actually catch what's new coin, like newly created coins with lower market cap. Newly created coins with lower market cap, that's potential of doing well. They make it a combination of volume inside as wallet to actually track coins you get. So you can also check. There are a lot of coins every day. They do suggest coins for me. All I need to do is to simply go through all the coins that they suggest, and the ones I like, I simply buy them. You get. So um if you don't have time to do your analysis, you get, you can simply use of this platform. It's really, really very interesting, and I like the platform. You need to sign up in the description box. Also, they also have the pro version. Get this platform has pro version, and the pro version is actually very, very interesting. Get the pro version, you have almost 100% sure that all the coins are going to recommend for you are the ones that are going to print you win money. Get so pro version costs about $230. I tap on get pro, and it's going to give you options that you can use to purchase it. Get you can pay using Telegram styles or using crypto. You get it's very easy. So I recommend you actually get a pro version if you really want to make money off it. The free plan can actually give you coins, but if you're interested in making money, like 1K does, 2K does, pro version is for you. Get a connect to wallet and you can really pay the pro version. The link to sign up will be in the description box, also in Telegram group. Can you link to sign up? Get ATM is actually a game changer. It's a game changer. It's one of the platforms that I see that recommends coins, good coins that you can buy. A lot of people are using these particular platforms to print money to make a lot of S. You too can use it. So guys, this will be it for this video. If you find it helpful, please do to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.